Hi everyone, in this short video I explain how to simply use the Bloomberg Query Language builder in Excel to retrieve panel data. For that you need to be logged into the Bloomberg terminal and you also need the Bloomberg add-in in Excel. And in this example I want to get the last prices of all the S&P 500 constituents for the last month in daily data. So for that we select members of the S&P 500 index. So we have all the 500 members in there. And what we want is the last price for the last 30 days. And we can customize that further here. And if we want to exclude the weekends with no price data, we can just remove the rows with NA values and we can save, look at the preview, how it looks like, and we can insert and run. Okay, so now here you see the data. So we have all the 500 constituents of the S&P 500 here, and we have it daily for the last month. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.